those of you who have seen my previous video, this is the area that we came to the day after trying to access Andrew's sister's house, and we couldn't get through because of the water. As you can see, the water is down. Here, look, here's that same tree in the house. So today we're going to try to help and clean and salvage and do what we can. But I figured this would be a good way to get to see a little bit more close up what we're looking at here. As you can see, that's the same car that was submerged up to the windows. And you can still see that there's some water. And this is the aftermath of what has happened. I don't know how people are feeling. I may try to interview a person or two. But as you could imagine, talking to me might not be on the top of their priority list. Look at this. Like an entire home. But as you can see, people have some music on. And they're thriving.